Bunge enene litkulia rero nigo yanyora esesenya kemini maega y'omujumbe bose omwakilishi babang'ina kurwase kaunti ya Kisii omusubati mheshimiwa Donya Dorice ataka kumanyigwa ninkigekogera abalimi becha barugongo rwa busongo bwensi ya Kenya bakonyora bonus ase ligori lyanse nigo babwatesigwa nabo igo n'omujumbe omukuruine John Gashukia oyo obulia nasiki abalimi bensemiga bakonyora gusabalimi ningekora bakonyora bonus yanse.
I remember, Madam Speaker, I've done 3 statements on tea bonuses. Until today, Madam Speaker, I've not yet been given a response by the chairperson of Agriculture. As I was waiting for the response, Madam Speaker, we saw on news the farmers were now paid 10 shillings per kilo, Madam Speaker. When we were making the farmers had been paid 22 shillings, Madam Speaker. Now, I don't know it's because we shouted. I don't know it's because we made a statement, Madam Speaker, because when that statement was made, farmers from Kisii region, from Western, they called and said, at least we have someone who is taking care of our concerns. Now that we didn't get the response, Madam Speaker, and the farmers were paid 10 shillings per kilo, now we are receiving a blame from the farmers that we are the cause of their bonuses coming down by half, Madam Speaker. I'm not even wrong to say, yes, we have different types of workers, Madam Speaker. We have teachers, we have nurses, we have sex workers. Sex workers are even paid better, Madam Speaker, than the tea bonuses that they were giving our farmers. So we want to tell our farmers to stop farming and go do what will give. I'm not, no point of order. I'm still here, Madam Speaker. We are aggrieved on this issue of tea bonuses. There is nothing to be proud about, Madam Speaker, and we need the Minister for Agriculture to come to this house and give us a response on why the tea farmers, especially from Kisii, Kericho, Western, they were paid peanuts. In fact, they were abused, Madam Speaker. I have no better language to express my concerns on what they've done to our tea farmers. I just need that response now, or else I will not leave this house. Today I'm going to sleep here, Madam Speaker. The chairman.
I also noticed for sure that from the government reports and statistics that we have seen, the tea earnings in the last year increased from 185 billion to 215 billion. Now, it is very surprising and shocking that even after the tea earnings have increased from 185 billion to 215 billion, the farmers this year have received less bonus. Honorable Speaker, it will be very important for us to understand, where did the difference go? Where did the increase go? Why didn't this increase get to the farmers' pocket? Yet we are supposed to be increasing the farmers' pocket. And Honorable Speaker, I truly and fully support that Honorable Donya